Good morning, student. Today I am going to start second lecture of active and passive voice. In first lecture we have completed past tense, and second lecture I am going to start past indefinite tense. You know what is past indefinite tense, in which we use in simple affirmative sentence only verb second form, like that. He wrote this letter. Every formula is same. In present infinite, we have to take same formula. First of all, we make object become subject and subject become object. So this is the formula of simple past affirmative sentence, in which सबसे पहले हम सब्जेक्ट रखते हैं, उसके बाद वर्ब का सेकंड फॉर्म, उसके बाद ऑब्जेक्ट, राइट का सेकंड फॉर्म ऑब्जेक्ट. व्हेन वी कन्वर्ट इनटू पैसिव वॉइस, जब हम इसको पैसिव वॉइस बनाते हैं तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू फाइंड व्हाट इज द ऑब्जेक्ट इन दिस सेंटेंस. इस सेंटेंस में हमको सबसे पहले ऑब्जेक्ट ढूंढना है. तो ऑब्जेक्ट क्या है? दिस. उसके बाद पांच इंडिपेंडेंट में पैसिव बनाते समय was और वर्ब के साथ क्या लगाते हैं? वर्ब का थर्ड फॉर्म लगाते हैं. दिस लेटर एक था से, इसलिए यहां पर हम क्या लगाएंगे? was लगाएंगे. दिस लेटर was. व्हाट इज द थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ राइट? wrote, written. दिस लेटर was written. What is the object of he? Him. Let's see another example in interrogative. Did he eat the food? क्या उसने खाना खाया? It is a simple interrogative of past indefinite. When we convert it to passive voice, first of all we have to take what is the helping word we use from this passive voice. The food. if there is food we use verb, but यहाँ पर food है तो हम क्या करेंगे? सबसे पहले was लगाएंगे. Was. After that, what is the object? The food. Was the food. Eat, had, eaten. What is the third form of eat? Eaten. Was the food eaten by him? Interrogative, there are two types. First, we make helping verb by helping verb, in which we use do, does, is, am, are, was, were, has, have, has been, had been. In past, did, was, were, had been. So this is helping verb type question. When we convert it to WH, suppose that I join here WH. When did he eat the food? उसने खाना कब खाया? It is also, it's not difficult. Just you have to, when I use WH type question, just you have to follow. First of all, you have to take WH words. When, or and same formula like that. When, helping verb, WH word, helping verb, object, verb third. This is the formula of WH when you make the question with WH. And suppose that WH I erase it. हम यहाँ पे WH से जो question पूछे उसको अगर हम erase कर देते हैं, just you have to follow the same formula. You have to Let's we see past continuous. The helping verb of past continuous was verb. हम पैसिव वॉइस बनाते समय क्या लगाते हैं? was verb के साथ being लगाते हैं प्लस V3 प्लस object. Let's see example. He was watching the movie. वह एक फिल्म देख रहा है. It is continuous. What we have to do? First of all, we have to find. सबसे पहले हमको ये पता लगाना पड़ेगा कि इस सेंटेंस में ऑब्जेक्ट क्या है. ऑब्जेक्ट क्या है? The movie. First of all, we have to take object become subject. The movie. उसके बाद फॉर्मूला क्या है? Was and were के साथ हम क्या लगाते हैं? Being लगाते हैं. क्योंकि मूवीज नहीं है, इट इज सिंगुलर है. द मूवी इट इज सिंगुलर. वेयर आई राइट मूवीज देन इट विल बी बिकम अ प्लूरल. सो यहां पर ये सिंगुलर है तो हम क्या लगाएंगे? द मूवी वाज. फॉर्मूला क्या है? बीइंग. द मूवी वाज बीइंग. द मूवी वाज seen. वर्ब का थर्ड फॉर्म ऑब्जेक्ट सब्जेक्ट. Let's see interrogative of this sentence. Was he reading a novel? क्या वो एक किताब पढ़ रहा है? सेम फॉर्मूला. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू टेक what is the helping verb we use with novel. a novel एक novel है तो हम क्या लगाएंगे? was. was a novel being. was a novel being read का थर्ड फॉर्म क्या होता है? read. was a novel being read by him. Suppose that I am asking with WH words. When was he reading a book? क्या करेंगे हम लोग? बस यहां पर जिस तरीके से WH से क्वेश्चन पूछा गया है उसी तरीके से हम पैसों में सेम वैसी एज इट इज लिख देंगे. When was a novel being read by him? Let's see past perfect in which we use helping verb had with singular or plural. Suppose that let's see example. he had seen this film, वो इस फिल्म को देख चुका था। क्या करेंगे? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू टेक ऑब्जेक्ट हियर, this film had helping verb had of the past perfect. When we convert into passive voice, we add been here. This film had been seen already in third form by him. Let's see interrogative of past perfect tense. Had he written his book? उसने इस किताब को कब लिखा? सेम फार्मूला, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू रिकॉग्नाइज व्हाट इज द ऑब्जेक्ट। दिस बुक we use first of all helping verb had, because in past perfect tense we use had with singular or plural. Had this book been written by him? So what is the formula of this sentence? First of all हम क्या करेंगे? हेल्पिंग वर्ब रखेंगे, उसके बाद ऑब्जेक्ट, उसके बाद बीन, उसके बाद विथ ही। Let's see another example. Why had he eaten the food? उसने खाना क्यों खाया था? Same formula. First of all, when started with WH words, first of all we have to take WH word. अगर कोई भी क्वेश्चन WH से होता है, WH members means what, where, why, whose, whom, where, like this type of words. So first of all we have to take WH words, same as it is. Why? उसके बाद फॉर्मूला क्या है? हेल्पिंग वर्ब। वाई हैड द फूड ईटन ऑलरेडी इन थर्ड फॉर्म फार्मूला क्या है? बीन, ऑब्जेक्ट के बाद बीन। वाई हैड द फूड बीन वर्ब थर्ड फॉर्म ईटन बाय हिम। Okay friends, I hope you enjoy and also like this